Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to find the sum of largest three numbers in Excel. In this case, I have the name of the students and I have their marks in their respective subjects. Now, I want to add the largest three numbers out of these marks. So, in order to do this, we are going to make use of two functions which are very simple. One is going to be the sum function to add the value, and the second one is going to be the large function in order to find out the largest number. So let's start. So just start off with equal sign and start off with sum, open parenthesis. Now I'm making use of large function in order to find the largest of three. Just press tab key so the function along with the parenthesis gets open. Now in this case it is asking for array. Array is nothing but the list of marks which is ranging from B2 to G2, comma. In the place of K, it is asking like how many largest numbers do you want to get added. So now by making use of flat brackets, I want 3. So 1, 2, 3. If in case you need 4, you can just add comma and add 4. Now close the brackets and close the parenthesis. So I have opened here one time here. You can see the brown bracket I have closed here, and the second time for the main bracket that I have opened here. Now, whenever you get array in the formula, make sure that you need to make use of Ctrl Shift and Enter in order to get the exact result. So just press Ctrl Shift and Enter in order to get the exact value. Now just double click in order to find the largest three numbers of all the students. So now let's quickly verify if the value what we have found is correct or not. So I'll just select this range of cells. I've just picked up randomly. I'll go with home from conditional formatting. I'll go with this top or bottom rules. Click on this top 10 items. Now I want just 3. So instead of 10, I'll make it 3. And then I'll do OK. Now we can see these are the largest three numbers. So you can look over here in this bar that the sum is 171, and that is what exactly we have got here. It is 171. And that concludes this video. If you're watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon for further updates.